First, I discuss magnetic flux. Magnetic flux denoted by phi. Magnetic flux denoted by phi. Okay, here, what is the magnetic flux? This is the closed coil, Nana. Look here. In the closed coil, this is magnetic line. Here, how many lines are passing according to diagram? One line. Flux is one. Look here. Here, how many lines are passing? How many lines are passing? Two. Flux is 2. Okay. Here, how many lines are passing to see the diagram? 4. Flux is 4. Simply the number of magnetic lines passing through given area. Once again I repeat, number of magnetic lines passing through given area is called as magnetic flux. Once again I repeat, what is the magnetic flux? Number of magnetic lines passing through given area is called as magnetic flux. Simply, magnetic flux mathematical definition is magnetic lines passing through given area. This is the mathematical formula for magnetic flux. This is the dot product. Simply write as B A cos theta. Here theta is angle between B and A. Once again, theta is angle between B and A. What is the magnetic flux definition? Number of magnetic lines passing through given area. What is the formula for magnetic flux? B A cos theta. This is coil have one turn. Coil have one turn. But every coil have n turns. In the situation, flux formula is B A n cos theta. Once again I repeat, coil have one turn. Flux formula is B A cos theta. Coil have n turns. Flux formula is B A n cos theta. Okay? Look here now. This is the formula for magnetic flux. Here, for example, look here. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of area. In the situation B and A same direction, theta automatically 0. What happens in the flux? Phi equal to B A n cos 0 1. Simply flux is BAN. For example, B, this is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of area. In the situation B and A, opposite direction, simply theta value 180. Flux is B A n cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1. Write neatly flux is minus BAN. In the situation when flux is positive, B and A are in the same direction. When a flux is negative, B and A are in opposite direction. Here, last case, B and A, both are perpendicular. Both are perpendicular. Simply, theta value 90. The flux formula is BAN cos 90 0. 0 into anything 0. When flux is 0, B and A both are in perpendicular. B and A same direction. Okay? Flux is positive. B and A opposite direction. Flux is negative. What is the flux formula, Bangaru Kondalu? BAN cos theta. In the situation, SI unit of flux is, look here, Weber. What is the CGS unit of flux? Maxwell. Look here. SI unit of flux is Weber. CGS unit of flux is Maxwell. According to relation Weber and Maxwell, Weber equal to 10 power 8 Maxwell. This is the relation between SI unit and CGS unit. Here Weber, Maxwell's are scientist names. What is the SI unit of flux? Weber. What is the CGS unit of flux? Maxwell. 1 Weber equal to 10 power 8 Maxwell's whole. Very important topic in the electromagnetic induction is change in flux. Look here, change in flux. Here Nana, for example, coil rotated. Because of rotation, initial angle between B and A is theta 1. Final angle between B and A is theta 2. Okay? Final angle between B and A is theta 2. Okay? Initial angle enta theta 1. Final angle theta 2. Here coil rotated. Because of rotation, angle between B and A, initial angle theta 1, after some time theta 2. In the situation to determine change in flux, it is denoted by delta phi or d phi. According to this situation, d phi write as final flux minus initial flux. Final flux minus initial flux. What is the flux formula in the chapter? B A N cos theta. Look here. Here phi 2 write as B A N cos theta 2 minus B A N cos theta 1. Here the common term is BAN into cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This is the formula for change in flux. change in flux is, look here now, B A N cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Okay, change in flux formula is BAN into cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. In the situation, this is the formula for change in flux. Okay, look here now. In the situation, look here. This is the formula for change in flux. Here, coil rotated, suppose 0 degrees to 90 degrees. That means initial angle between B and A 0. Final angle between B and A 90 degrees. Okay? In the situation, change in flux equal to B A N. What is the final angle? 90. Cos 90 0. Cos 0 1. Simply change in flux is BAN. Next case, here coil rotated 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Initial angle 90, final angle 180. In the situation, change in flux is, look here, B A N into final angle 180, cos 180 minus 1, cos 90 0. In the situation, change in flux is minus BAN. Next situation, coil rotated, suppose 0 degrees to 180 degrees. In the situation, change in flux is, common term is BAN into final angle is 180, cos 180 minus 1, cos 0 1. Finally we get minus 2 BAN. Okay, look here now. Hold. Any minutes time? In the chapter nana area. In the chapter nana area is a vector. Area is a vector. Vector means follow the direction. In the chapter, its direction always perpendicular to surface. Once again I repeat. Here in the chapter, area is a vector. According to this concept, vector means follows the direction. Area is perpendicular to given surface. Your palm is surface. This is the direction of area. Here area, this palm is surface. This is the direction of area. Palm is surface. This is the direction of area. Board is surface. This is the direction of area. Here area is a vector. Its direction always perpendicular to given surface. This problem I discuss now. Look here. Look here, all of you now. Look here. Okay, look here now. Okay, one problem I give. B bar is 5 I cap plus 10 J cap. Okay, here A is 10 meter square in XZ plane. Look here, Actually, in the chapter, area is a vector perpendicular to given surface. XZ is the surface. Perpendicular is y-axis. Y-axis unit vector is j cap. This is the b bar. This is the a bar. Here magnetic flux is b bar dot a bar. Okay. In the situation, b bar write as 5 I cap plus 10 j cap into dot here 10 j cap. In the topic, look here Nana. Would you understand? Area in xz plane means area is a vector perpendicular to given surface. XZ perpendicular is y, that's why this is j. Look here. Here I dot j 0 plus j dot j 1, 10 into 10 100. In the dot product same will be multiplied, different becomes 0. I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1, I dot j 0, j dot k 0, k dot I 0. Okay, this is the problem. Nana. Complete.